A 40-foot container filled with construction equipment worth thousands of dollars was recently raided by bandits, delivering a heavy blow to the rehabilitation of the Marchand grounds. The theft has brought progress to a crawl, leaving the contractor struggling without essential machinery. Sports Minister KENSON CASIMIR has lamented the setback, calling the incident a frustrating obstacle to the long-awaited upgrade of the facility.
We were very saddened to discover that vandals actually broke into the storage area for some very important equipment at the Marchand grounds. Marchand grounds, it's another facility that was abandoned by the previous administration, and we've invested some significant amounts to ensure that we upgrade the sitting facility, and we are going to be upgrading the lights as well.
CASIMIR emphasized the importance of the sporting facility in nurturing athletic talent and fostering community spirit. He highlighted its pivotal role in hosting matches for the semi-professional football league, underscoring the broader impact of the project on sports development.
Minder Phillip Park is a national facility, and we expect Marchand to be used more for the constituency in terms of their football competitions and in terms of some of their social development programs in that community. And so we were very, very disappointed that individuals would have taken that course of action. We do believe that there is enough evidence sprouting to find out who these individuals are.
Several other sporting facilities across the island are earmarked for upgrades under the $80 million Sporting Infrastructure Program launched by the SLP administration in 2024. The minister issued a strong call for community members to collaborate with the government to ensure these projects are completed efficiently and cost-effectively.
And we just want to send out a loud clarion call to all the communities that we've mentioned that are going to undergo some level of development in terms of sporting facilities, that this will not be tolerated. We continue to have to shoulder the burden of security costs throughout our communities, and we would prefer to use those funds to further develop the playing facilities, but we have to bite the bullet and provide additional security at every one of those venues to ensure that we have a proper work program ongoing.
So far, there has been no breakthrough in the Marchand grounds equipment heist, with the Royal St. Lucia Police Force continuing their investigation into the matter.